Are you ready?
What the hell am I supposed to say to you, Jamie?
My birthday balloon! do you want
Do a lot more. Suck that shit in.
My name is Stephanie McGee and I work at Cold Stone Creamery because we're working with ice cream.
I think I ran out of it.
Here, my turn. Oh god. There's like... Hold on. There's like a little cut in it. There it is. There, it's right where my thumb is. Like right where my... Right in there. There's a little like slit.
Oh, it's already on.
I know.
Holy shit, that was a lot. My dad is gonna hear me.
Okay, one more. Well, it didn't last at all. Oh gosh.
It is 2:30 in the morning.
See, I already... Where is this? Well, I'm going lightheaded.
Are you? It doesn't bother me. Alright, ready?
Thank you, Lauren Ferry, for buying me this beautiful balloon. I love this balloon. Coldstone, Coldstone, we're a Skipper Dipper family. When you eat our ice cream, we will try to sing in harmony.
Is that bad?
No. Dude, when we're drunk, we gotta get a bunch of balloons. You gotta keep sucking. It's recording.
We're just gonna buy a bunch of balloons.
When we go to the beach this week, we're gonna buy a bunch of balloons and just suck all the air out of them for hours.
My stomach hurts. Tell me about yourself.
So I have this cat.
Say meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Yeah, it's gone.
It's not all gone.
It's making my throat hurt. I need some water.
Just take the rest of it.
I need some water. I need some water. My throat is itchy.
There's a woman in a firefighting outfit. She needs some helium.